Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, November the 10th. Well, a spinning top candle today, and that's a very indecisive candle. It's a candle where there was the bulls trying to take control and then the bears trying to take control, and neither side resolved the battle between each other, and neither side had control of the market when the market closed, and neither side showed any commitment. If we look at the range of the current candle as well, the range of the current candle is certainly smaller than the previous range, and that's telling us that the bulls are not as eager as they previously were. Having said that though, and especially having said that we have an indecisive candle, the market is still in an uptrend in the first time frame. So the market is still showing us a higher high and a higher low, and we should expect that the trend will continue unless we've got evidence otherwise. And so we have some potential evidence for a potential change of trend, and that being the spinning top candle, the indecisive type candle. But we need confirmation for a downtrend to be in place, and that would be a candle with a lower high and a lower low. So there is potential for a downtrend, so we need to keep an eye on the low of the current candle, watch the high of the current candle for a potential higher high and continuation of this uptrend to trade up to around the 1100 level. And we can see that we've had previous downside rejection from that level here, and the market sold off quite substantially and found support at the cloud or the Kumo previously when it traded up around this area. So the market will need to do some solid work to trade up above this region. The market is trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and that tells us that the market has a positive overall bias, and the market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. So the market is giving us a bullish signal as well. The Tenkan-sen hasn't crossed over the Kijun-sen yet, and that's generally a bullish signal when that happens, especially if it happens above the cloud or the Kumo. That could happen in the next few days depending on how the market trades, but there hasn't been a crossover. There was potential for it where the Tenkan-sen picked up some very strong upside momentum, but that hasn't happened. Both of these indicators are pointing up quite sharply, and that's reflecting the strong upside momentum that the market had. But we can see on the Tenkan-sen that the angle of that line has become a little shallow, and that reflects the indecisive trading in the first time frame. So overall, the 1100 area is very important to this market for a potential attack on that area, and we'd like to see a solid bullish close up above that area for the market to continue appreciating, and potential for the market to trade down, find support at the 1080 level or at the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, which are roughly around the 1065 to 1060 level, or to find support at the cloud or the Kumo, which is roughly around the 1040 level, which coincides with the previous area of resistance.